I'm rolling this up so in the like piggy in a blanket.
Like a piggy in a blanket. What's in the center?
Now I'm blushing because I've never been done. This has never been done to me. The center is the meat.
Is it just ground beef or?
No, it's beef tenderloin. The tenderest part of the cow.
Okay. Does it have anything else special about it?
It's wrapped in prosciutto ham, and one corner has a little bit of turkey bacon on it because my mother doesn't like pork.
Oh.
So.
Are you scoring it kind of right now?
I'm scoring it right now so I can so it's going to be evened out because I don't need that much. So I'm scoring off the excess. Twist tie in the ends. Now it's a little bit lopsided. I should have didn't center it, so it's a little. So let's score this a little bit. Top all the excess on both ends.
How did you get that piece of dough so flat?
I used a rolling pin and rolled it out without hitting anybody in the head with it like they used to in the old days. So now I'm gonna get some. Oops, I knew that was coming in. Now still got a little bit of excess, so using some excess pastry dough that I had, and I'll cover up any excess, like that part right there, because I didn't see that part was open. So now it's done. Glad I checked it. Can you give me some more wax paper, please?
Yes. Can you tell us your name?
My name shall be anonymous. Just call me Cook. For now.
The cook's got a nice butt.
If the good cook gets some likes on it, he'll put something else up so you can watch me make. That's it.
So Cook would like this to be shared amongst friends.
No, I know Cook knows that it will get shared amongst friends. That's why Cook's saying it. Once that happens, if he gets several likes from those friends, he'll try to make something with a recipe on it so they can do it. Now I'm gonna take my plastic wrap here. It's still a bit warm, so it's still gonna be a little bit loose here, so. Hey, nobody's perfect. Let me cut the tip here. Now for me it's going to take a couple wraps because I'm not a perfect wrapper, so.
But you're black.
I said I'm not a perfect wrapper. And I'm going to wrap this up again. Hey, cut that out. This is, if you're going to make a thing, you can't be making it explicit for younger audiences. Capiche?
Yes.
That's all making a little bit too short.
Do you want me to break off another piece?
Please.
We?
Break me up a little something.
Yes, sir.
I just needed to wrap this to cover my bases. So I have this one. So we can get warmed up back in the refrigerator for a little bit.
Oops.
Now, whoever does it themselves, the wrap's gonna come out much better than mine. I'm just so. Now that it's nice wrapped, it'll go back in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Get solid before it bakes.
What temperature will you put it in the oven at?
I'll tell you when I put it in the oven.
Okay.